At its June 2023 WWDC event, Apple unveiled iOS 17, which includes a number of significant updates and new capabilities. It was initially predicted that iOS 17 would be a small upgrade that concentrated on the platform's reliability. Apple did, however, make sure that the operating system had its fair share of upgrades. Apple provided the first beta of iOS 17 to developers for testing shortly after the event. Additionally, the business declared that iOS 17 would be accessible to everyone. Find out when Apple will release the first public beta for the iPhone, whether you're not a developer or just want to install a somewhat stable edition of iOS 17.